Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. PMS General Knowledge पेपर ये ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट ही है 100 मार्क्स का 2009 में, जिसके एमसीक्यू से पहले लिखा था। और नोबेल प्राइज वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड अल्फ्रेड बर्नार्ड नोबेल, a chemical engineer, in 1896. BIN is an intelligence agency of which country? Indonesia. Tenge is the currency of Kazakhstan. Gestapo is the secret agency of Germany. Which is the oldest search engine of the internet? Yahoo. What is the meant by hung parliament? When there is no single political party has an outright majority. Which UN organization has won twice Nobel Peace Prize? UNHCR. Through which strait 40% world oil is transported? Hormuz Strait. Which Gulf state has denoted 320 megawatts gas-fueled power plant to Pakistan? United Arab Emirates. Which country is the largest trading partner of Pakistan? USA, United States of America. Which is Khmer Rouge, a communist movement in Cambodia? Where are the headquarters of International Monetary Fund IMF? Washington DC. Famous city Waterloo is situated in Belgium. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. CPU is the abbreviation of Central Processing Unit. The famous tennis court oath is associated with French Revolution. The American Declaration of Independence was written by Thomas Jefferson. Nippon is a stock exchange of Japan. Who is called the father of computer? Charles Babbage. In which country did the Industrial Revolution first occur? England. Hamas was founded by Khalid Mashal. Which country has world's oldest anthem? Japan. Silicon Valley of California is called thus because of computer industry. और फेमस कंपनी एप्पल के जो फाउंडर थे स्टीव जॉब्स, उनका ताल्लुक भी सिलिकॉन वैली से था. विच कंट्री recently became a member of General IAEA? Grenada. Which of the following organizations is the oldest? OIC. Three Georges Dam project is in the country of China. Which is the biggest bird of the world? Ostrich. Which is the brain drain? Emigration of skilled worker to other countries. Asiana Airlines is the airline of which country? South Korea. Blue House is the official residence of President of South Korea. If Kerry Lugar bill passed, how much Pakistan will get from USA? $1.5 billion. Amargo is the oil company of which country? Saudi Arabia. The study of races of man is called ethnology. Which part of human body is most affected by hepatitis virus? Liver. The Nobel Peace Prize 2008 has been given to Marty Ahtisaari. He is the former president of Finland. Likud and Kadima are the famous political parties of which country? Israel. Who is the current president of World Bank? जिम योंग किम. ये 2009 की जनरल नॉलेज के मुताबिक है, तो इसका करंट प्रेसिडेंट उस वक्त जिम योंग किम था. आज का दौर का जो है वो और है, वो गूगल से इजीली सर्च किया जा सकता है. हु इज़ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया? मैलकॉम टर्नबल. खार is the famous town of Bajor. Golden City is the name of Johannesburg. 3 May is celebrated as the International Day of Press Freedom. Which Central Asian state has finished Manas Air Base of USA, Kyrgyzstan? Kirkuk in Iraq is famous for oil fields. Seattle is the seaport of USA. Where are the headquarters of Human Rights Watch? New York. Which country assisted Pakistan in building Karachi Nuclear Power Plant? Canada. Which country among P5 has used veto power most of the time? Russia. Chennai is the name of which Indian state? Madras. Hamburg is the chief seaport of Germany. Which country is ahead in coffee production? Brazil. Schwab Klaus was the founder of World Economic Forum. ASEM Asia Europe meeting was initiated by Mr. Goh Chok Tong, Prime Minister of Singapore. Chronometer is used for measuring longitude. US Ambassador to the United Nations Nikki Haley, who is the current Managing Director of International Monetary Fund, Christine. Which of the following categories of Nobel Prizes was not created by Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel? Economics. Which of the following provinces of Afghanistan shares border with Afghanistan? Nangarhar, Pakita, and Ghazni. Russia supplies natural gas to Europe countries which transit through the state of Ukraine. ITAR TASS is the news agency of Russia. The world's largest subway system is in Moscow. Oscar award ceremony is held in Los Angeles and California both. Philately is a stamp collection. The world's largest number of newspapers are published from India. The most famous book of 2008, The Way of the World, a story of truth and hope is an age of extremism, is written by Ron Siskind. Parcel Islands in the South China Sea are disputed between China and Vietnam. National income is essentially composed of all income of the people in the year. Fleet Street, London is famous for offices of the newspapers and press agencies. Petra, an archaeological site, is among the new seven wonders of the world located in Jordan. Marco Polo was a famous traveler. The only vitamin which cannot stored in human body is vitamin C. Swat Valley is situated in the mountain range of Hindu Kush. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. In which of the following countries 240 years old monarchy was abolished in 2008? Nepal. Which of the following countries first introduced paper currency in the world? That is China. Anemometer is an instrument used for measuring wind speed. Green vegetables are good sources of minerals and vitamins. British East India Company was established during the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar. When the stock market is rising is called bullish. Pakistan and Afghanistan have transit trade agreement signed in 1965. What do you understand by disease insomnia? Inability to sleep. On which of the following issues Arab style peace process stalled? States of East Jerusalem. The world's famous Madame Tussauds Museum is situated in London. The world's oldest parliament, founded in the year 930 AD, is Althing of Iceland. The last king of Afghanistan was Muhammad Zahir Shah. Ornithology is the study of birds. Order of Cloud and Banner is the famous prestigious military award of China. Naxalite movement is the pro-communism movement started in India. What is meant by petticoat government? A government runs by a woman. Who is the father of English poetry? Geoffrey Chaucer. In 2008, Oscar-winning movie is The Shape of Water. Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962. Lights travel from sun to earth in 499 seconds. What do you understand by term intifada, uprising? With the following rivers run through Paris? The Seine. Pearl Harbor is located in American state Hawaii. Myth of Independence is written by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Deficiency of vitamin C in human body leads to teeth disease. Tamils in Sri Lanka are struggling for an independent state in the territory of Jaffina. The largest section of the Kurd population is living in Turkey. Which one is hypertext language HTML?